how to check someone's location on iPhone. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video, because it's super easy to do, but maybe not everyone knows this. I mean, that's probably why you clicked on this video, but yeah. So first of all, on Apple, there is a default app called Find My. It's on the left of my screen over here. If I click on there, you should see your location and everything. Now, for me, at the bottom, it is currently set to devices. So I can see my Apple AirPods and my iPhone. And at the bottom left, you can also see people. Now, if I switch there, it says start sharing a location. So I can start sharing my location with people. And if people have shared their location with me, then they should show up here on the map. I've blurred this out, but yeah. So if I want to share my location, I can click on start sharing location. And here I have now my contacts and I can send that to people. And if someone has sent their location to me, then I can also find that in my messages, I believe. If not, then it will simply show up here in the Find My app. And here you can see all the people that have shared your location, by the way. So if there's like, if you do it with like all your friends, so like 5 people, then they will all show up here. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.